Did you know that the tropical Moringa tree is the most nutritious plant in the world? What does that mean for your health? The Moringa tree grows in tropical areas only. The temperature should never fall below 15 degrees Celsius. If this is the case, the Moringa tree dies. It is a tropical plant that grows between 5 and 8 meters per year. You can almost watch it grow. You can eat everything from this tree: the roots, the bark, leaves, and the fruits. In our medicine field, we specifically use the dried leaves. You harvest the leaves and dry them. And these leaves contain an unbelievable amount of micronutrients that our body needs. We know of 90 bioavailable active ingredients. In fact, there are many more, but these 90 are the ones that we know. Many of those are vitamins as well as minerals. And very special, the amino acids. The building blocks of our proteins, which we really need. There are 20 different amino acids, and 18 of them are included in the Moringa plant. And 18 of them are included in the Moringa leaf. Imagine, in Africa, the proteins literally hang on the trees. There are children who are starving under these trees because the people do not know what nutrients are contained in this tree. 2 examples. If you take the dried leaf and compare them with the weight of milk, for example, we have 17 times more calcium in the Moringa leaves than in milk, for the same amount. Or if you compare it with carrots, 25 times more vitamin A. In Africa, children go blind due to the lack of vitamin A. The medicine is hanging on top of the tree, and people don't know it. People in Africa trust Western medicine, yet they have the remedies on their doorstep. It is so important to bring this message out so that people everywhere know about it. In nature, there are active substances that have a healing effect against many diseases. If you want to know more, you can find a link in the description below. There you can find more details about which micronutrients and the quantities in this Moringa leaf. What is the significance of this for our health? I do not prescribe the Moringa leaf for specific diseases. For me, it's the most natural polyvitamin. Instead of buying any vitamin product, you can consume Moringa. Everything your body needs is inside, and in a natural way, because many vitamin products are often synthetically produced vitamins. With Moringa, you have a natural health product without specific effects in certain diseases, but a very broad natural health product for your body.